Welcome to Viking.TV's wellness channel for body and mind. I am Mona Therese and I will guide you to today's class. I hope you are well, I hope you are safe, I hope you are ready for practice. So today you might need a towel. If you don't have a towel, then you may have a strap or something else you can to help you and assist you in your stretch. And as always, feel free to sit on a chair if you have a hard time or trouble or something against sitting on the floor. Okay, so either sit here or up on a chair. So today is a rainy day and it might start raining, we'll see. Take a deep breath in and now exhale completely out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more deep breaths. Inhale. Remember smiling to yourself. Relaxing your face. Wonderful. Now, let's lie on our back and start warming up our lower back a little and moving our hip. You can always have a low folded towel or blanket or pillow underneath your head if you need to. Now bend your knee, interlock your hands around the knee, and as you exhale, bring the knee to the chest. Inhale away. Exhale, knee to the chest. Inhale away. Exhale, knee to the chest. Inhale away. And now as you exhale, bring the head up to the knee. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale, hold it there. Deep breath in. Exhale, squeeze, 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 squeeze. And now stretch yourself out, flex your feet, and make yourself as tall as you can. Now to the left side. Inhale. Exhale, knee to the chest. Inhale. Exhale, knee to the chest. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, and now as you exhale, bring your head up to the knee. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale and stay here. Breathe in deep. Exhale, squeeze it all out. And now release and stretch your body fully out. Flex your feet. Now bend your knees again. Feet are together and drop out. And you remember last week I showed you the blocks. So if you feel really tight, take the blocks or pillows underneath your knees. You can have your hands on your belly, out to the side or over the head. Now here we take 5 deep breaths. So exhale. Inhale. Exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Inhale. Exhale 4. Inhale. Exhale 5. Now inhale, bring your knees together and take your right ankle on top of your left knee, stretching the outer hip and lift it up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more deep breaths. And you know, if this is too much, you can just have the foot on the floor. And now to the other side. So either just stay here, grab your hamstring or over your shin, your choice. Full breath in, full breath out. Feel the full abdominal breath, the full diaphragmic breath. And one more deep breath in. Now exhale, foot on the floor. Take your arms to the side and then drop the knees to the left as you look to the right. Inhale. Exhale. Close your eyes. Bring all your attention inward and witness the rhythm of your breath. Deep breath in, slow breath out. Good, and then inhale, come all the way up and over to the other side and turn your head. Inhale, exhale. Eyes are softly closed, gentle distance between your teeth. And now roll over to your right side and coming up. So again, if you want to, feel free to sit on a chair. Sitting tall. And while I'm here, I just want to, while I remember to say thank you so much for all your sweet notes and comments and emails you have sent me. Thank you from my heart. It means so much to me. Thank you. Now, close your eyes again and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Take your arms to the side. Inhale up. And exhale to the side. Inhale, lift up. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Very good. Turn your head to the right as you inhale. And then exhale gently into the center again. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, head up, cover your upper lip with your underlip, and then exhale, chin down again. Inhale, head up, and down. Now circle your head over to the right and just look over the shoulder, and then exhale, down again. Inhale to the other side, and exhale, down again. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale your head up. Shoulders up. Exhale, roll them back. Inhale up. Exhale. Our joints can be very tense and tight. So let's lubricate them a little here. Inhale up. And exhale, hands on your shoulders, elbows all the way up and bring them back. Inhale, if you can, bring your elbows together and then back. Inhale. Exhale, one more. Inhale. And exhale, arms down. Take a deep breath. And then exhale, drop your ear down to the shoulder. Inhale up. And exhale. Inhale up and exhale. Inhale up and exhale. Inhale up, and now let's come up on all four. So hands underneath your shoulder, and if you can't be on all four, you can sit on a chair. Just hold your knees and round and arch your back instead. So hands on the floor. Inhale. And exhale, round your back. Inhale, arch. And exhale, round your back. Inhale, arch. And exhale, round your back. Now inhale and stretch your right arm and left leg out. You can just have them here to the floor. If you feel stable enough, lift them up. Exhale. Inhale, left arm, right arm, just out or lift up and then in again. Inhale, right and left. Lift up from the belly button. Now left and right and down. Right and left and down. Left and right and down. Take a deep breath in. Sit back on your heels or just have your elbows and let your head and go as far as you can. No force. Breathe in deep. Exhale slowly. Fully inhale. Fully exhale. If you're sitting in a chair, you just lean over your legs and touch your toes and let your head drop down. Good. Now inhale, coming up. And then take your feet under and up and stand. And here we are. So come up and stand with your feet together or hip distance apart, whatever is right for you. I will stand with my side. And also here you can just choose to sit on a chair. Do it all on the chair, just seated. And then take your arms. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, lean forward over your thigh. Either bend the straight leg and down. And then inhale, roll it all the way up. And exhale. Inhale, come up. And exhale, hinge from the hip. Feel free to bend your knees if you need to. Inhale, come up again, all the way up. And exhale. Last time. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, come up. Arms over the head. So that was our forward and back bend. And now we will take the twist. So from side to side and bounce in your knees, look over your shoulder. If you're sitting on a chair, just bring your hands on your shoulder and twist from side to side. Exhale, 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 exhale. Good. Exhale. Feel your spine moving. Your arms are just swinging around like there was no weight in them. They just swing and swing. Good. And then now to the side. Lift it up and you can still sit on a chair and do this. So bring it over to the side. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. And exhale. Inhale up. And exhale. Very good. And down. Circle your shoulders and back. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now the other way. Back and up. Back and up. Back and up. Inhale your arms up. And then exhale, interlock your hands. So take your strap or towel in between your hands. Then squeeze your shoulder blades together. Open your heart. Inhale. Exhale. And bend your knees. Lift your arms up. And hands to the hip. And then lift your chest up. And hinge. Come forward. Now again, like last week, I showed you can have hands on the blocks or on the floor. You can bend your knee, you can straighten your knee, feel where you are. And no force, no judgment. There is only the awareness of breath
taking us to where we can go. And sometimes we can feel more tight than others, so respect that also. But if you can, grab the heel, just bend your knees if you need to. Inhale, exhale. Feel the hamstring stretching. If you're sitting on a chair, you're just leaning forward down, touching your heels. Chin to chest so your neck is straight. Let's take one more deep breath in here. Exhale it out. Now inhale, roll all the way up. Arms over the head. And exhale. Now step out so you have 2 to 3 feet between your legs. Turn your right foot out, left heel out, and feel your hip is squared with the front. Lift your arms up to horizontal and shoulders down. Inhale, and then exhale as far as you can. When you can't go any longer, hands on your shin or your ankle. Lift your chest, shoulders back away from your ears. Breathe in deep. Exhale out slowly. Remember smiling to yourself. Close your eyes if you're comfortable with it. And then inhale. Lift yourself up. And now bend the knee and turn it over to the other side. Inhale your arms up again. And then reach as far as you can, either to your shin, or again, if you have a block, you can use a block. And then open up. Feel how you stretch out from the left side of your body and how you twist and open up your torso. Chest open, shoulders down, gaze up if your neck allow it. If not, then just look down. Inhale. Exhale. Wonderful. And then inhale, coming up. And now, maybe you want a little more distance between your leg. So come on out, bend your knee, either hold your hand, elbow on the knee is right over the heel. Feel stretching out of your right side. Feel the twist of your torso. Then lift your arm up over the head into the side ankle stretch. Make sure the back foot is active too, so you don't want to be like that. Straighten your knee and press to the outer edge of your foot as you lift from the inner ankle. Good. I think we have about 3 more deep breaths here. 2 more. And 1 more. Good. Inhale, coming up and then over. And either your hand on the knee, your elbow on the knee, your hand on the block, or the hand on the floor on the inside or the outside of your foot. Your choice. Bend the knee as much as you can. Feel those inner thighs. Inhale. Exhale. Again, active on the right outer edge of the foot. Lifting from the inner right ankle. Feel the spiraling movement to your spine. Good. And then inhale, coming up. And now your feet are parallel. So hands at the side of the hip. And then lift your chest up. Again, sit on a chair if you like to. Exhale, come forward. Just have your legs out to the side. You can again bend your knee. You can have hands on the blocks. Inhale, lengthen to the spine. And then walk your hands back to the line of the toes or heels. Let your head down and relax your head. Full breath in. Full breath out. Shoulders up and out of your ears. Take another deep breath in. Exhale. Then hands forward. Inhale. Exhale, hands to the hip. And then inhale, coming up. Bend your knees and in, and you can just walk it out a little. Now, at home, you can take your hand to a wall to, whoops, it has been raining here. Take your right foot up, so it comes up to the inner thigh, and then lift up from the core, soften the ribs, and if you can have your hands together,
or above the head. But if you need to, just hold on to something, and then you can gently begin to practice letting go of that support. But lift up so you feel 2 inches below the belly button like a zipper. You zip it up, and there you hold it. Keep your shoulders relaxed and steady gazing at a single point. Good, and now we let it go. Then you go over to the other side, and then lift it up. Place the foot, zip your belly, soften the ribs, and then lift your arms up, shoulders down. Remember always to hold the wall, a counter, the edge of a chair, so you don't fall. When you're here, sometimes the hip drops in like that. That would make us fall. So think about bringing yourself up from the inseam of your thigh to the midline of the body. Lock in the core and then gaze at a steady point. Then I think you will have it. And then we release, and that's wonderful. Come up to the mat again if you have a yoga mat, or stand with feet together, and then take your right foot back, bring the right heel down, bend the left knee, and feel your hips squaring to the front. Zip up the belly again so you have that pelvic tilt, so you feel the openness of your hip. Then reach forward with your right arm, then the left, and then lift it up. Inhale. Here, if you struggle with balance, have your hand on the edge of a chair or on a counter. Inhale. Also here, feel there's a tiny little suggestion of an inner rotation of your thigh, so your knee don't splay out to the side. Again, we don't want to have this happening. Straighten the leg and press to the outer edge of your foot. Take 2 more deep breaths here. And then release. Good. Now open it up and maybe a little more distance, and then take your arms to the side and the shoulders are down. And then reach out. Zip up the belly, shoulders are down. Inhale deep, exhale slowly. And then coming up, and then release. Very good. Now come on in, and then we take the other side. I just turned to the other side, but you can take the same side. But take your left leg back, just so you can see me better. And then feel the back of the heel come down, bend the front knee, and then reach forward, lifting up. It's gently beginning to rain, but I think we will make it. Inhale, exhale. Maybe my cameraman, he wants an umbrella, I don't know. Inhale for his camera and equipment. Shoulders down. And then inhale, come up, and exhale. Reach out, shoulders are down. Feel that outer rotation. So the knee is in the direction of the second toe. The back heel is a little further out. And then open and stretch, stretch, stretch. Inhale, exhale. Deep breath in, shoulders down. Feel the breath. And then inhale, coming up. And feet are parallel, arms are to the side, and then stretch from the center of your heart. You want it like a star, shine and let it radiate out to the tip of the fingers, up to the top of the head, down to the sole of the feet. Lift up vertebra for vertebra. Palms up, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Palms down and release. Good. Shake it out, and now let's sit down. Feel free to sit on a blanket or a pillow if you need to be elevated a little. Then feel the inner rotation. Flex your feet. Sit tall. Chin level with the floor. Inhale. Exhale. And then take your hands forward to your shin, to your ankle, to your toes. Or again, you could have a towel or a yoga strap or something else. And then just practice lifting your chest and coming up and out of the lower back. And then over time, you can begin to move forward and down. Inhale. Exhale. Deepest breath in. Slowest breath out. And then inhale, coming up. And bend your knee. Take the knee out to the side. Lift yourself up. And then hands on the floor again. Feel free to use the strap or the towel. And really practice lifting yourself up and out of the lower back. And from there, over time, coming forward. And the midline of the body is right over the inner thigh. And now coming down. And then coming up and stretch the leg out. And we take the other side. Lift up, feel the twist. Feel that little inner rotation so your toe front, you don't want to let the leg go out. So feel that rotation coming up. Lift up and out of the lower back. And then coming forward and all the way down. Breathe in deep. Exhale slowly. And then inhale, coming up. And exhale, stretch the leg out. Now bend your right knee. Lift it up and take it either on the inside or the outside. Some of you might be able to do this variation where you lock the foot in here, but make sure the sit bones stay on the floor. So either you are in this variation or you have the leg straight. It's up to you. Hand behind you. Lift your chest and then gently coming over and look back. Deep breath, slow breath. Feel the inhalation, feel the exhalation. And we smile to ourselves. Eyes can be closed or open, your choice. And now we release it. Come over to the other side and just bow down. And lift it up. And stretch the leg out. Now take the other side on the inside or the outside. Or if you like, you could have it locked in. So feel what is right for you. Lift yourself, both sit bone on the floor. Lift up from the vertebra, then from your waist, your chest. And then gaze around. Look over your shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. And then we come into the center. And then bow to the other side. Lift it up. And stretch it out. Bend your knees. Take your arms. And now feel free to just have your feet on the floor, lift them up, lift it higher, or come on all the way up. Feel that inner rotation. Lift your chest and gaze towards your toes. Press to the ball of the feet. Either you're here or here, doesn't matter. Inhale. Exhale. And then down. Good. Now come on down and lie on your back. Arms at your side. And take a little pelvic tilt. And then lift it up to the bridge pose. Rock your shoulders under. Interlock your hands.
Inhale deep. Exhale out slowly. Just gently smile. Keep the rhythm of your breath. Hands can also be flat on the floor. For you are more open, you can grab your ankles. Remember, there's no force and there's nothing right or wrong. And now vertebra for vertebra coming down. And then lift your right leg up, hold it. You can have bent knee. Circle it around. It's the gentleness. Like right now, I feel the most gentle raindrops on my face. It's nice. And then the other way around. Good, and then flex, and there. And there, gentle, gentle movement. Opening up the joint, and then down. And to the other side, and circle. 2, 3, 4, 5. The other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And flex and point. Flex and point. Flex and point. And then down. Straighten your left leg, take your right arm out to the side, and then drop it over to the side. And exhale. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, lift it up. And then to the other side. And over. Inhale. Exhale. Good. And then coming up, bend your knees and take it up and rock from side to side. Very gentle. And now feet on the ground. And we are ready to Savasana. For Savasana, also called corpse pose or pose of relaxation. So toes dropping to the side, palms up, shoulders down. Lift your head and elevate your head up a little if you need to. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the rhythm. Abdomen rise, ribcage expand, and then it all contract again. Stay here. If you rather want to sit up, that's okay too. I will sit up to guide you, but you can stay lying down and feel how the back of your head becomes more heavy and more relaxed. The back of your eyes dropping into the back of your head. Release any tension around your eyes. Also feel a gentle distance between your teeth. Relax your jaw hinge. And feel your shoulders dropping down. Your hands are heavy and relaxed. Feel your legs become more heavy, your toes dropping out to the side. Just breathing in, breathing out, letting go. Relax.
Now, take a nice deep breath in. Exhale and begin to move your toes and fingers a little. Then when you're ready, come on up and sit with me. And keep your hands relaxed either in your lap or on your knee. And take some deep breath. Just to be upright again. Feel how it is to be upright again. And mentally prepare yourself for what's next. What are you going to do after your practice? Don't run into it. Don't speed it up. Stay with your breath. Inhaling deep, exhaling slowly, and gradually entering into your day. Thank you so much. Always a pleasure to be with you. See you next time.